What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that everyone dreams of: financial freedom. Ultimate goal, right? Well, in 2025, it's more attainable than ever. So if you want to stop living paycheck to paycheck, break free from the grind, and start building your wealth, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to give you my top 5 ways to achieve financial freedom this year. These are strategies that anyone, no matter where you are in your financial journey, can start applying right now. So make sure you stick around until the end, because I'll also be sharing some actionable tips and mindset shifts you'll need to really take control of your finances. Let's jump in. Before we dive into the strategies, let's get on the same page. What exactly is financial freedom? Simply put, it's the point where your passive income exceeds your living expenses. You no longer rely on a paycheck from a 9-to-5 job, and you can live life on your own terms. But let me be clear, this doesn't happen overnight. In order to get there, you need a clear understanding of how money works and a roadmap to get there. The first step is mastering the basics: budgeting, debt elimination, and saving. A lot of people think that financial freedom is just about having a lot of money, but it's really about having control over how you earn and spend that money. It's about making decisions that allow you to live life without constantly worrying about your bank balance. That means learning how to make your money work for you, not the other way around. Let's break it down. Budgeting. Creating a detailed budget isn't just about limiting yourself. It's about understanding where your money is going and making sure it's going toward the things that matter most. Your budget should reflect your financial goals, whether that's paying off debt, saving for retirement, or investing. Debt elimination, paying off debt, especially high-interest debt, is crucial. The more you owe, the harder it is to save or invest for the future. Prioritize clearing off credit cards, payday loans, and any other high-interest loans first. Saving, building a savings buffer for emergencies, is the next step. Financial freedom starts with the peace of mind that comes from knowing you're financially stable, no matter what life throws your way. Now that we've got the basics covered, let's move to tip number 1, start investing now. It's never too late, and if you want to have any chance at building wealth, investing is a must. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow. But here's the thing, it doesn't matter how much you start with, as long as you start. Many people are intimidated by the stock market, especially if you're just starting out. But let me tell you, you don't have to be a financial expert to benefit from investing. The key is to get started and be consistent. Let me break this down. 1. Start small, think big. You don't need thousands of dollars to start investing. In fact, many platforms allow you to begin with as little as $10 or $100. And when you invest consistently, even small amounts add up over time. Start by automating your investments, set up recurring deposits into your investment account, so it's out of sight and out of mind. 2. Long-term investing. The key to building wealth through investing is time. Invest in things like index funds or ETFs that track major stock market indices, such as the S&P 500. Historically, the stock market has had an average annual return of 7 to 8%, and over time, your investments will compound. Think of it as planting seeds now and watching them grow over the next several decades. 3. Dividend. Stocks and REITs. Another great option for building wealth is dividend-paying stocks or real estate investment trusts, REITs. These investments provide regular passive income, which can be reinvested to grow even more wealth. You can think of dividends like earning interest from a savings account, but potentially at much higher rates. 4. Cryptocurrency. Now, cryptocurrency might be volatile, but it can be a powerful tool in your financial arsenal. I always recommend that people do their own research and understand the risks, but cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have proven to be solid investments in the long run. Just be sure to balance crypto investments with more stable assets like stocks and bonds. 5. Retirement accounts. Make sure you're taking advantage of retirement accounts like a 401k or an IRA, especially if your employer offers a match. This is free money, and you should be contributing as much as possible to take advantage of that. Tip number 2 is crucial. Diversify your income streams. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. One of the biggest mistakes people make is relying solely on their job to cover all expenses. In 2025, there are more ways than ever to generate income, and the more sources of income you have, the closer you get to financial freedom. Here's how you can diversify your income. 1. Side hustles. Starting a side hustle is one of the fastest ways to boost your income, and trust me, there are more side hustle opportunities than ever before. Whether it's freelancing in your area of expertise, running an e-commerce store, or driving for a rideshare company, side hustles can provide you with a consistent income stream. The beauty of side hustles is that you can choose one that aligns with your passions or skills. 2. Passive income. One of the best ways to achieve financial freedom is by creating passive income sources. This is income that continues to come in with little ongoing effort from you. Some examples include digital products. If you have expertise in a particular area, you can create and sell digital products like ebooks, online courses, or printable planners. Real estate. Real estate investing is another great way to earn passive income. You can either buy property to rent out or invest in real estate investment trusts (REITs) to generate income without dealing with the day-to-day management of properties. 3. Online business. The online world is full of opportunities to create a business that generates income. From affiliate marketing to launching a YouTube channel, the internet provides endless ways to earn money while building your brand. 4. Peer-to-peer lending and crowdfunding. If you have extra capital, you can look into investing in peer-to-peer lending platforms or even crowdfunding opportunities. This allows you to lend money to others and earn interest or become part of business ventures that generate income. Tip number 3 is about a key principle of wealth building: live below your means. This is where a lot of people get it wrong. Achieving financial freedom isn't just about earning more money. It's also about making smart decisions with the money you already have, and that means living below your means. Here's how to reduce your expenses. 1. Track your spending. Before you can cut back, you need to know where your money is going. Use apps like Mint or YNAB. You need a budget to track every expense. Once you have a clear picture, you can identify areas where you're overspending. 2. Cutting unnecessary expenses. Take a close look at your subscriptions, services, and habits. Do you really need that cable package? Can you switch to a cheaper internet plan or cut down on dining out? Cutting back on small recurring expenses adds up over time. 3. Adopt a minimalist lifestyle. Adopting a minimalist mindset can help you realize what you actually need versus what you want. Avoid impulse purchases and prioritize buying things that have long-term value. If you're in a position to reduce your expenses significantly, do so. This could mean downsizing your living situation or even moving to a location with a lower cost of living. 4. The 50/30/20 rule. This is a simple framework for allocating your income: 50% for needs, housing, food, etc., 30% for wants, entertainment, dining out, and 20% for savings and investments. Sticking to this can help keep you disciplined and ensure that you're not overspending. Tip number 4 is all about shifting your mindset. Focus on the long-term vision over short-term gratification. It's easy to get distracted by the latest trends and quick fixes, but financial freedom isn't about instant gratification. It's about having the discipline to invest in your future. Delayed gratification. If you want to achieve financial freedom, you need to be able to delay immediate pleasure for long-term gain. This might mean skipping expensive vacations or living in a more modest home for a few years. Remember, every sacrifice you make now can pay off exponentially in the future. Growth mindset. Adopt a growth mindset by continually learning about personal finance, investing, and wealth building. Surround yourself with people who inspire you to think bigger and smarter about money. Set goals. Set clear, measurable financial goals for the next year, 5 years, and 10 years. Whether it's buying a home, retiring early, or reaching a certain net worth, having concrete goals will keep you focused and motivated. Finally, tip number 5. Build good credit and manage your debt. Your credit score is one of the most important aspects of your financial health. A good credit score helps you secure lower interest rates on loans, saving you money in the long run. But you need to manage debt wisely to truly benefit from your credit score. Pay down high-interest debt. Start by paying off high-interest debts like credit card balances. Once you pay these off, focus on paying down any other debts you have, such as student loans or car loans. Use credit responsibly. Credit is a tool, not an unlimited resource. Pay your bills on time. Keep your credit utilization low, preferably under, and avoid opening too many credit accounts at once. 3. Monitor your credit score. Regularly check your credit report for any errors or signs of fraud. High credit score can save you a ton of money when you need to borrow for large purchases like a home or car. So, there you have it guys, my top 5 ways to achieve financial freedom in 2025. Comes down to starting now, being smart with your money, and focusing on long-term wealth building. Whether it's investing, creating multiple income streams, cutting back on unnecessary expenses, or simply changing your mindset, financial freedom is within your reach if you take consistent action. Remember, financial freedom doesn't happen overnight, but with the right steps, it's absolutely possible. Start today, and you'll thank yourself tomorrow. If you found value in this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below sharing your financial goals for 2025.